Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to download Google Sheets file to PDF on desktop. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document file. Firstly, then you should a Google Sheets document from the text in the Google Sheets from the file. This file is the from download from the PDF. Now PDF download is going to the file menu option. Then you can say now click for the then show that download option. Now click for the PDF option. Now for click. That's it. Then show the PDF download is that. Now click for the export option. Now for click, that's it. Then I show the downloading from the PDF. Now open the file. Now for click, that's it. Then I show the download Google Sheets file to PDF on desktop. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.